Hello everyone, I'm Ganesha here. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about concept. As the name suggests, concept, networking concept. Concept above all the topics and technologies in network. I'm a network engineer with an experience of more than 12 years in this industry. And on my channel, I'll be only posting videos about networking technology topics like software defined network, software defined wide area network, routing, switching, etc. And that too also every second week of Wednesday. So you don't need to wait much, like for a month or more than a month. And you will be learning more about concept and as well as the business value of each topic so that you can withstand against any business and any presentation and you can gain more confidence from my channel. Be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself so that we'll have a very interactive channel and it can help us all in both the direction. Thank you very much.